Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to do the installation video of our tailgate letter overlays here for this 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. We have been loving this vehicle and we've been trying to work through some of these designs that we had on our Bronco and bring them to this market early and do some install videos so you guys can get used to installing all of our products on your vehicle. What I'm going to go do is cut out another set of these. I'm going to take some of the letters off. Actually, I'm going to take all the letters off because this was a material that we usually don't use for this. I just had some left over and I wanted to mock up something real quick and verify that install. But I will get gloss white and throw it on there. It really makes your vehicle stand out, really makes it pop, shows off your Toyota pride. Let me go grab that. I'll grab a microfiber, some detail spray that doesn't have any wax in it. I'll also grab our Sticker Fab installation fluid, and I don't really need a squeegee for this, but I might keep one around. Most of it will be done just pushing out the water that we use with my fingers, kind of letting it dry, coming back out, and then making sure all the edges are down. All right, so as you can see, when there's nothing on the tailgate, you can barely see this from a distance. It's just raised letters. So if you want to show it off a little bit more, check out some of our designs and get some of these for yourself. What I'm going to do first is take my microfiber and my detail spray that doesn't have any wax. I always say that it doesn't have wax because you really don't want a waxy surface to install stickers on. You want that vinyl's adhesive to stick right to the paint. So I've got that all clean. A little breezy. We're going to have a tropical depression probably in the next 24 hours or less. Shouldn't be too bad. We should just get some rain. Here are the letters right here. I'm going to spray down the surface. This is available on our website. I also say you can use 1 drop of dish soap per 1 cup of water if you want. That usually works out pretty well, but this is really the perfect mixture. So just line it up. It'll be easy to slide around. I forgot to mention, it's like 88 degrees here. I like to do all these installations above 70 degrees. So this fluid allows you to move it around, and then it dries out at a rate where you'll be able to really stick this in the next minute or so. Moving on to the O. Just remember when you peel the O off to kind of remember the alignment. So I grabbed it by the left side about halfway down so I can keep it vertical. It'll kind of make more sense once you put it on it. If it doesn't align right, it's because you have it slightly off. It's so bright out here. Whew. Okay, got that down. We'll go for the Y. Peel and spray. Align it. See, I'm holding down with one finger and trying to get the liquid out with the other. Getting eye level with the vinyl to make sure it's centered up properly. Now the other O. Grabbed it by the right side this time, so I'll trade fingers there. Line and press. Grab that other T. So this process really doesn't take that long. It's so warm that I should be able to firmly press down these letters, starting from the left and moving to the right. Once I get this last A on, oh, the first A of the set, last letter of the word Toyota. So as you can see, I really didn't need my squeegee. I can take it, hold down the top of that T, do the bottom, push out to the side. Shouldn't have any bubbles. That's what that fluid does. It lets you realign the letters and lets you push out all that water underneath it. And there you go. Let me pull this off the tripod and give you guys one last look. All right, so there you go. Of course, it's going to look like it did at the beginning of the video, except this is gloss and it works better with our, what color is this? Ice Cap White Land Cruiser. We'll offer a bunch of different colors, and then I think I'll come back and I'll do topographic designs on this as well. Let us know if there's anything else you want. I'll probably do like a 3-bar design, the heritage red, orange, yellow across there as well. I think that'll look pretty cool. But if you guys haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2024 and up Toyota Land Cruiser, and visit our website as well. Thank you.